live again. Hello, you two. Um, as you can see, boxes, packages, they're already open. I, this is what my fourth attempt to record. Oh my gosh, this is really stressing me out. But at the same time, I'm having fun. I'm learning as I go. Um, I'm still gonna try to get through this quick. The I I don't know what's going on. Like every time I record, it's like it cuts out. I think it's just a storage thing on my phone. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to get through this quick for you guys. Please don't mind all the fidgeting that I'm doing. Just let's get into it. All right. So first we have this. As you can see, it says stop sign. I already knew what it was. I mean, obviously now I know what it is. But boom, there you have it. Blue World Order, Stevie Richards, Stevie. Uh, the painting on this is very nice. I got it for a great deal. So I just thought this was awesome to get. It's like this is almost out of package. Good painting right here. Like no chipping at all. I don't know what that is on his head. I don't know what that is on his knee pads. But uh definitely gonna have to clean that. Don't know what that is, but good thing I'm wearing gloves. So I get most of these from second, third party sellers, so that's why I wear gloves a lot. Um, this is my ringside box here. I did a video on that, but the video didn't upload, so here it is. I'm just gonna crunch it all into one with these guys because there's not much here, so I'm like, might as well. So there you have it, Steven Richards. Next up, we have this package here, which is Defining Moments Undertaker. Uh, as I mentioned for twice already, but this is my third time. It has a little paint discoloration here, so I'm a customizer, so this is not a problem to me. I'll just paint it over it and seal it and all that good stuff. So it's no problem to me. But there you have it, Undertaker Defining Moments. Next up, we have this package here. Opened it up. There you have it, Daniel Bryan, which I don't need. I mean, I mean, I'm just gonna use for parts per se, but the head scan, I mean, as you can see, it's just horrible. But I don't mind because I'm not gonna need it. Maybe nah. But yeah, his knee pads, his arms, I could use for a custom one day. And yeah, then you have Triple H with paint chipping on his hands. Again, no problem to me. Can easily fix that. It's an Elite, which is crazy for a battle pack. You get an Elite Triple H. Get the nice torso crunch and all this good stuff. Or ab crunch, I should say. Should say. But the one problem is his head. He has a bobblehead. I can see if I can fix that. Shouldn't be too much of a problem at all, actually. If I think if I'm correct, it's just something inside there that I just have to. Yeah, it's easy. It's easy. All right. So boom. Let's just get to the next and the next and the next. All right. So we can hurry this up. So this doesn't get deleted or have to be redone again. Boom. So there you have it. 4 pack. It came with this paper here, is pamphlet, whatever you want to call it, printout. Nice there. Give you guys my neighbors. Boom. There you have it. First, trying to be quiet here. All right, let's start off with Goldberg. Yeah, it's like my neighbors are running through, but you have Goldberg with the Blue Universal Championship belt. Here's the side. There's the back. Let's try to pause it if you need. There's the other side. And there's the front. Comes with the Paul Ellering smaller, the older slash younger, younger Paul Ellering head. Wow, I could not get that out. Um, but there you have it. All right, next we have Edge here. There's the side, there's the back, the other side, and there's the front. There you have it. Comes with the older, modern Paul Ellering head and his torso. It comes with a bat, two interchangeable hands, and there you have Edge. As I was saying, and here's the third or fourth time. I can kind of see the resemblance as in the picture, and so I'm not complaining too much about it. Yeah, I like the attention to detail there, how they put the flap over his name. I actually like it. I like it. Um, all right. Next, we have China. There you have it. Pause that. Boom. So sorry that I'm rushing through this, guys. There you have it. China champion belt puppet and interchangeable hands. Nice to have. And then the one reason why I actually got into collecting all of these guys, the one reason, Shawn Michaels. There you have the side, the back, the other side, and there's the front. I'm definitely gonna have fun opening this, taking this out of the package. I'm not gonna do it now, but when I get to the new place, I'm gonna definitely unpack this. Comes with the legs, Build-A-Filter legs, and there you have it. All right. All right, let's show these guys off. Or just place them all there. There you have it for the unboxing / figure haul. Thank you guys for watching. Again, sorry for the rushing and unedited video. Like I said, all of this is going to be fixed very soon. If you want to check out my customs that I posted so far, link will be in the description. Yeah, I have more customs to come. Definitely have a few actually already made, just haven't posted yet. But yeah, sorry about that. Excuse me. But yeah, thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys would like to see. Yeah, don't mind the background. I'm moving. If I didn't mention that, I'm moving, so all of this is, yeah. So, but yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'm out.